Dreaming of a European adventure but think it's too expensive? What if I told you that you can tour Europe for under $1,000? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around because in this video, I'm breaking down a step-by-step plan to explore multiple European cities, including flights, accommodation, food, and transport, all within a budget of just $1,000. Right after this intro. Welcome to Terrific World. Are you a fan of our videos? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching. The first step to keeping your costs low is picking the right destinations. Focus on affordable yet stunning locations like Hungary. Has amazing architecture, cheap accommodations, and delicious food. Poland has great history, vibrant nightlife, and is very budget-friendly. Czech Republic has stunning medieval charm and low-cost attractions. Portugal has beautiful coastal views, cheap wine, and delicious food. Romania is underrated. It's scenic and super affordable. You can easily add Paris or London if you're willing to add a few more dollars to your budget. All these places offer amazing European experiences, but at a fraction of the cost compared to Western Europe. Flights can be the biggest expense, but with the right strategy, you can fly to Europe for as low as $300 to $400 round trip. Here's how. Use flight search engines. Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Kayak help find the cheapest routes. Fly budget airlines. Airlines like Ryanair, Wizz Air, and EasyJet offer crazy cheap flights between European cities for as low as $20. Fly into cheaper airports. Instead of Paris or London, fly into Warsaw, Budapest, or Milan, where flights are significantly cheaper. A round-trip flight from New York to Warsaw, Poland, can cost $350 if booked in advance. From there, you can take budget airlines or buses to explore neighboring countries. Accommodation doesn't have to cost a fortune. Here are your best budget-friendly options. Hostels, where dorm beds cost between $10 and $30 per night. They're great for meeting other travelers. Then there's Airbnb or guest houses, where you can get private rooms for $20 to $40 per night. And don't forget couch surfing, where you can stay with locals for free. It's a fantastic way to save money and experience local culture. If you stay in hostels at an average of $20 per night for 7 nights, that's only $140 for the entire trip. Europe has amazing public transport, and you don't need expensive train passes to explore. Here's how to move around for cheap. Flixbus and RegioJet offer intercity bus tickets, starting as low as $10 to $20 per trip. The Eurail Pass, while popular, is not always the best option for budget travel, especially if you're not traveling a lot. BlaBlaCar is a carpooling service where you share rides with locals. And of course, walking and renting bikes are great options too. Many cities like Prague and Budapest are super walkable. A bus from Budapest to Krakow costs $15, Krakow to Prague costs $20, and Prague to Lisbon via budget airline costs $50. That's a total of $85 for intercity travel. Food is another area where you can save big without missing out on great cuisine. Here's how. Street food. Get delicious local meals for $3 to $5 in places like Budapest and Krakow. Supermarkets and bakeries. Buy fresh pastries, sandwiches, and local snacks for just $2 to $4. Lunch specials. Many restaurants offer affordable set menus for $7 to $10. Cook your own meals. If your hostel or Airbnb has a kitchen, buy groceries and prepare simple meals. Eating budget meals at $10 per day for 7 days adds up to just $70 for the entire trip. You don't have to spend a lot on sightseeing. Some of the best experiences in Europe are free or very cheap. Free walking tours. Most cities offer guided tours where you just tip the guide. Museums with free entry days. Many museums in Europe have days with free admission. Parks and landmarks. Explore places like the Fisherman's Bastion in Budapest, Old Town in Prague, and Alfama District in Lisbon, all for free. If you allocate just $5 per day for sightseeing, that's only $35 for an entire week of exploring. Expense, estimated cost, flights, round trip, $350. Accommodation, 7 nights, $140. Transport, intra-Europe, $85. Food, 7 days, $70. Sightseeing and activities, $35. Miscellaneous souvenirs, etc., $50. Total, $730 to $1,000. And there you have it, a full Europe tour for under $1,000. It's all about smart planning and choosing budget-friendly options. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks. Let me know in the comments which European country is on your bucket list. See you in the next adventure.